Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are exploring regression analysis, a fundamental tools in marketing analytics. Now if you are wondering what exactly is regression analysis, so it's a statistical method used to examine the relationship between one main variable like sales or customer engagement and the other factor that might influence it like ad expense or product price. In marketing regression analysis can answer a big question like how does increasing ad spendings impact sales, or what effect do discounts and promotions have on customer purchases. For example, a seller might use regression analysis to understand how markdown influence weekly sales, helping them define their pricing strategy. Additionally, companies can analyze the relationship between marketing campaign and sale growth, giving them insight to shape future campaign. So, today I will show you how to perform regression analysis in Excel, from setting up the data to interpreting the results using real-time example to show how these techniques can be a game changer for making data-driven marketing decision. So by the end of this video, you will know how to use regression to forecast outcome and enhance your marketing strategy. So let's get started. So first, let's load our data set into a Excel. So we are working with the set of data that includes columns like temperature, humidity, wind speed, and pressure. So start by opening the Excel file with this data and scanning the column to understand what each variables represent. Uh, in a marketing content, these columns could reassemble metrics like customer demographics, ads, spend, or web traffic, which can help us see how variables factor might influence outcomes like sales. So, taking a few minutes to get familiar with your data can help you understand that what relationship you might expect to see. So now that we are familiar with the data, let's set up our regression analysis. First of all, go to the data tab in Excel, then click on data analysis and select regression. If you don't see the data analysis option, you will need to enable the analysis ToolPak. So to do this, go to the file option and add ins, select the analysis ToolPak and click go. Check the box next to the analysis ToolPak and click OK, and you should now see the data analysis option in the data tab. Once that ready, choose the dependent variables. In uh, this is the variable we want to predict. So in this example, that's the temperature. For the dependent variables, we will select columns like humidity and wind speed. In a marketing scenario, you might choose variables like ad spends and product features to predict sales. With our input selected, click OK to run the regression. Excel will generate the table with various output statistics, including regression statistics, ANOVA, and coefficient. This table will help us understand the accuracy of our model and the impact of each variable on our target outcomes. So let's start by looking at the regression statistics section. The key value here is a R square, which in this case is 0.98. This tells us that 98% of variation in temperature is explained by our dependent variables, suggesting our model is highly accurate. Next, we'll see the multiple R value, which is 0.99. This number shows a strong positive correlation between our dependent variables and the dependent variable temperature. A higher R square and multiple R usually indicate a more reliable model. So, in marketing, high R square could mean that factors like ad spends and customer engagement are strong predictor for the sales, making the model useful or strategic planning. Hmm. Next, let's examine the ANOVA table. The important metrics here is the significance F value. So, which is our example is extremely low, close to zero. So, this low value indicates that how models is statistically significant, meaning the relationship between our independent variables and temperature is likely due to random chance. In a marketing content, a statistically significant model can give you a confidence that your prediction says on how ad spends affect sales and based on the real measurable patterns rather than random fluctuations. So, friends, now let's break down the coefficient section. Each coefficients represent the effect of one unit change in each variable on the dependent variables. For example, the coefficients of humidity is minus 1.98, which suggests that a humidity increases, temperature tends to decrease. Wind in speed has a positive coefficient, meaning temperature slightly increases as wind speed goes up. Check the p-values for each variables here. If a p-value is below 0.05, it means the variable significantly contributes to our model. In this case, humidity and wind speed are significant, while wind veering and visibility are not as impactful. In marketing, this approach can help you focus on significant factors like ad spend or product quality, allowing you to refine your strategy based on what truly influence outcomes. So, how does this apply to marketing? So, regression analysis can use to predict customer behavior like forecasting sales or estimating customer retentions based on different variables. For example, you could use regression to see if increasing ad spends will likely leads to sale boost or if products features are driving customer satisfaction. This type of analysis is crucial for making informed business decision and allow company to optimize spending, adjust strategy, and ultimately increase return on investment by focusing on what matter most. So, with regression analysis, you get clear, actionable insight backed by data. So, So, regression analysis in Excel is a powerful way to understand and quantify the relationship between variables. Whether you are looking for a predict sales, customer retentions, or any other key performance metrics, these techniques is essential in marketing analytics. In this video helped you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to first subscribe for more data driven insights. Also drop any question in the comment below and I would love to discuss regression or any other topics you would like to learn about. Thank you for watching. Bye.